Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Amazon stock decline, complete guide step by step clearly. Amazon stock decline can be concerning for investors and stakeholders. Start by analyzing the root causes of the decline. Examine recent earnings reports for any signs of underperformance. Look into market trends that may impact Amazon's business model. Consider factors like supply chain disruptions or increased competition. Research changes in consumer behavior that could affect sales. Monitor the broader economic environment, including inflation and interest rates. Next, evaluate Amazon's competitive positioning. Compare its performance against major competitors such as Walmart and Alibaba. Identify any weaknesses in Amazon's market strategy. Look for areas where competitors may be gaining ground. Assess the effectiveness of Amazon's recent innovations and investments. Review their entry into new markets and product lines. Next, consider the impact of regulatory changes. Investigate any new legislation that may affect Amazon's operations. Stay updated on antitrust investigations and their potential outcomes. Moving forward, develop a comprehensive recovery plan. Suggest strategies for Amazon to regain investor confidence. Propose cost-cutting measures to enhance profitability. Encourage Amazon to focus on core competencies and streamline operations. Highlight the importance of improving customer experience to boost sales. Advise on potential partnerships or acquisitions to strengthen market presence. Finally, continuously monitor the stock after implementing these strategies. Evaluate the effectiveness of the changes made over time. Stay informed about market trends and adjust the strategies as needed. Providing regular updates to stakeholders can help maintain confidence. Remain engaged with financial analysts to better understand market sentiment. Use this proactive approach to ensure Amazon addresses its current challenges effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.